Hello, my name is Atif, and today I am going to discuss about my Indigo DISC assessment report for my self-reflection and managerial and leadership skills evaluation. Let's let's first start with my behavior results. According to the Indigo report, my dominance level is 36% and influencing is 22%, which means I am less concerned about results and I am an introvert person. And I have very low social interaction. However, I have a strong steadiness level that is 85%, which represent that I am a steady, patient, and predictable person. The compliance level of 71% shows that I am a detail-oriented person and I enjoy working with established procedures. Now let's move on to the strengths and area of improvements. According to the Indigo report, my strengths are: the first one is problem solving, which represent that I am skilled at addressing issues related to people. Loyalty, this shows that I am dedicated to long-term goals and remain loyal to the cause. Attention to detail shows that I provide clear instruction in detail, which makes easier for others to follow. Integrity and consistency refers that I focus on accuracy and quality. Team oriented represent that I am skilled in building relationships. Logical and cautious means I prefer logical solutions and I'm cautious about superficial ideas. Let's discuss about the potential weaknesses. The first one is conservatism and risk aversion. Sometimes I am overcautious and I avoid new or unfamiliar situations. And prioritization. During multitasking, I may struggle to prioritize tasks and manage the deadlines. Complexity overstatement. I sometimes make things complicated. Ambiguity instances. Sometimes I avoid stating clear opinions or positions on issues. Sensitivity to criticism. For this, I would say I may take feedback personally, which affects the work performance and morale. Let's talk about some solutions to overcome these weaknesses. The first one is conservatism. For this, I can practice by start taking a small risk to build confidence and observe from others who embrace change. For prioritization, I can use priority frameworks to clarify priorities and make decisions. And also, I can break down tasks into smaller and manageable goals. For complexity overstatement, I can adopt simple and straightforward solutions. Also, I can discuss complex situation with a trusted colleague to get an objective perspective. Ambiguity instances. I can improve this by saying straightforward sentences about my opinions. Also, I can take support and guidance with a mentor. And for sensitivity to criticism, I think I should recognize that feedback which I get is about the work, not about me. So when receiving criticism, I should remember that nobody in this world is perfect and everyone has their um, area of improvement. So I should focus on my strengths. Let's talk about some of my top skills as per the Indigo report. As per the Indigo report, my top skills are leadership, decision making, diplomacy, and innovation. These skills are very important in early stages success of a small business. The leadership the leadership skills enables me to inspire and guide my team even in uncertain times. And the strong decision making skill allow me to navigate challenges quickly, asserting risk and opportunities. The diplomacy helps me to build positive relationship with stakeholders, suppliers, and customers, which creates a supportive network. The innovation thinking drives me to develop unique products or services, setting the business apart from competitors. Together, all these skills provide a strong foundation, which helps me to establish, grow, and adapt the business to changing market demands. Now let's compare my previous Indigo report from HRMD subject with my present one. As we can see, we have some variations in the results, but the major difference we can see is in the steadiness level, which is increased to 85%, which means I acquired the behavior to be a steady, patient, and predictable person. In conclusion, I can say that the Indigo report reflects that I can contribute a balanced mix of analytical, supportive, and people-oriented qualities, which makes me a dependable team player. Thank you.